Hey everybody, I'm Jake. This is Fastlane Classic Cars in St. Charles, Missouri. And this time we have a beautiful 2008 Corvette Z06 2LZ. Now if you know anything about the Corvette Z06, it is the pinnacle of the naturally aspirated Corvettes in the C6 generation. 427 cubic inch V8, that's the 7-liter LS7, 505 horsepower, and a 6-speed manual transmission to cart this thing around. Plenty of power, especially with the slightly wider body and not a whole lot of weight on these cars, which is nice. 342 rear gears with limited slip as well, so this thing can absolutely get rowdy. This one has a completely clean Carfax and under 11,000 miles. I'm going to climb in and get the exact mileage real quick because I'm going to start it up. 10,600 and some change I think it has. So this is a very well maintained and low mile C6 Corvette, which I absolutely love. Jetstream blue paint, titanium leather interior. Yeah, 10,640 miles. Not very many at all. You got all your different buttons for your trip meter and stuff over here, and these buttons are for your heads-up display, which you can see there in the windshield. You can move it up and down if you want. You can change what page it's on. So you can change what you're looking at and the mode. Nice steering wheel. You got buttons there for your radio. Touchscreen radio here in the middle. And it flips out in case you have a DVD or CD collection you want to use. CD players are right back there. AC controls here, all physical buttons. There's your 6-speed manual shifter. Awesome titanium gray interior, leather seats. Very nice. Got some like carbon fiber weave pattern on the console as well, which I like. Big traction control button right there because Chevy knows how to party. This one also has heated seats, which I love. Gotta have heated seats, sorry, in your C6. Pop the hood real quick. Bose sound system. That's a Corvette thing. Nice door sills with Corvette written on them. Memory seat functions. Between the C5 and C6 was quite a large jump, not only in performance, but in comfort and all the different creature comforts you get on these cars. Beautifully clean engine bay, the iconic red engine covers, LS7 as you can see right there, over 500 horsepower. Awesome, beautiful Jetstream blue paint. Now this one might look like a Target top because there's a seam there, but no, this one's a fixed roof because it's a Z06, so that doesn't come off. Massive chrome wheels, they're staggered, 19-inch in back, 18-inch in front. Got 305 tires in the back and 275 tires in front, so this has plenty of tire, plenty of grip to get the power to the ground, especially with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's that are on it right now. Awesome, massive Corvette disc brakes. Got the center exhaust, of course, because it's Corvette. Sounds awesome. This one also has navigation. Another creature comfort that this got over the C5. And of course, being a Z06, it's got these awesome vents on the side, on the front and the back that are functional. This is wider than the normal C6 Corvette, the base model Corvettes. It's hard to tell unless you see them side by side, but these fenders are much wider than the normal C6. Engine runs smooth and quiet. It's got air conditioning, obviously, power brakes, power steering, all that good stuff. And yeah, clean Carfax, less than 11,000 miles. This thing is a cream puff. And in my favorite color, Jetstream blue, at least on the C6 generation. With these nice big chrome wheels, looks absolutely awesome. No weird lights. Awesome backlit gauges in this car. Sounds good. interior is in fantastic condition as well. I mean, everything is. Barely has any miles on it. And I'm excited to drive it. So I'm gonna go get Christopher, the guy I do these videos with, and we're gonna take this thing for a quick spin. Mic on the ground.
Hello, microphone.
Whoops. I dropped my steak in the bathwater.
What? Jeez.
That's from the Anchorman soundtrack.
Of course it is.
If you know, you know. And if my dad watches this video, he'll get that joke.
I think he'll watch.
Maybe. Maybe I'll tell him to watch this one specifically for that joke, and now you can turn it off, Dad. There's nothing else.
Nothing to see here.
Nothing else interesting about this.
No, he's not.
Although for other car people that like Z06s, this video is for you. So you stick around.
Especially Jetstream Blue.
Yeah, with titanium leather interior.
Watch your language, sir.
I'm sorry. Oh, very nice. Good horn.
Waving at people.
Good touchscreen head unit. Good AC controls. Nice 6-speed. And oh, look.
I'm gonna get some quick
CDs and DVDs can go in there.
You can watch movies?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Very crazy. This is 2008.
We are no longer in the past or present, but we're in the future.
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
You got push button start and buttons for the doors.
You do.
So you know it's the future.
Oh, we're in the future.
Yeah.
So this is funny. So you put the auto on, you got your fan on, and you can do your fan. To turn it off, you press that and that. I never knew that until today. I was today years old.
Yeah.
I didn't know that's how you turned off the AC.
I've never really messed with the controls in here on the C6 before. We do have heated seats, which we won't need today.
Please don't.
We have heads-up display.
I am enjoying that.
Nice gauges. I think I can see it. There's the beautiful gauges. Here we go. Jetstream Blue Z06.
Oh, so notchy, so good.
I know, the 6-speed's nice.
Oh, I love this car. Now, it's only got 10,640 miles as of right now.
And a clean Carfax.
And a clean Carfax, so I don't want to go too crazy with it because it's such a beautiful car.
Very nice car. Very
nice paint.
Well maintained, as most Corvettes are. Because Corvette people are just, they're good people.
They're good people.
They take care of their cars.
They believe in schedules.
They do. Very nice.
And New Balance shoes, but let's go.
Good handling around the roundabout.
Of course.
You're going to get that when you have 305 tires in the back, and I think 85 or 75 in the front. Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, I'm pretty sure is what I said during the walk around.
Oh, this is so nice.
And the Z06 compared to the, yeah, you can roll the windows up. And Lieutenant. The Z06 compared to the normal C6 is wider. Yes. Wider wheels, wider tires, wider track width, fenders. It's got the vents on the front and back, on the sides.
Love the vents.
I know. These things are so cool. And they're pretty subtle until you get up and see the badges. Like, if you saw it from far away, you might just think, oh, that's just a C6 Corvette, you know, 400 and whatever horsepower. No, this thing's fast. 505 naturally aspirated horsepower, the fastest NA that Corvette made, NA car that Corvette made. There was the ZR1, but that was supercharged.
You know, that's right, the 6.2 and the C8 is only 495. That's weird.
I know.
That is weird.
Although the Z06 is 670 in the new one.
Oh, God almighty.
But yeah, this has more horsepower than the new base C8 Corvette.
And I mean, I know there's people who love the C8, and I understand you people, and I get it, it's a supercar, but it doesn't have this.
Yeah.
The manual transmission, which I enjoy.
Yeah. And Chris doesn't have any legs.
No, they're all camouflage.
Yeah, you can't get a manual transmission in the new Vets. I really don't like that, but you know what? The packaging of that car is so tight already, I can see how that would be difficult to engineer, but you know what? I want a manual. And I think that the C6 Z06 might be the best manual Corvette you can get for the price.
Oh yeah, for the price point, for sure.
And the performance you get out of it. No back seats, obviously, but you got a lot of storage room back there.
Yeah, go to Home Depot.
Floor mats. Got the Z06 sun visor back there. Nice rear window defrogger. Yeah, go to Home Depot, fill it with lumber, build a shed.
Yeah, let's do that.
Go home and build a shed with your Z06. You'll get home really fast with your supplies.
You sure will. Put a red flag at the end of it if it's too long.
Yeah, there you go. The shifting it's buttery. And the only other button on this console down here is this big traction control button.
Uh-oh.
Do you know why that is?
Why? Because they know how to party?
Because Chevy knows how to party, okay?
They know how to party.
They want that front and center, although we're going to leave the traction control on, I think.
You should.
Handling is fantastic.
Yeah, I like it.
Very nice. Oh, the steering wheel can go forward and backwards electronically.
Sure. With electricity.
Very nice. With electricity.
Somebody's listening to Harry Potter. Sorry. It's a great, great book.
Here we go. Second gear. Oh, there it is.
Hello!
Third gear.
Good gravy. Woo. I gotta slow down, guys.
Yeah, we didn't really need third. We were already doing almost 35 miles an hour.
It's not good.
35 miles an hour.
Right.
Because that's the speed limit of this road.
And we don't want to... What's going on there, dude?
Yeah, we wouldn't go any faster than that.
Oh, boo. Yeah, this was not here. I just drove down here, man. I'm sorry. Looks like we have a little issue.
There's some constructions happening.
Well, go out that way and come this way. That's what you do. That's what
we
you
could
do.
go...
What do you want to do?
Oh yeah, I could go out that end and come this way.
I think that's what you need to do. Sorry, folks. You guys don't know what we're talking about, but we have some road construction. Well needed and very needed.
We're going to avoid it, but I'll do maybe 2 flybys. I'll just loop the same direction twice.
Okay. There he goes, ladies and gentlemen. One of God's own prototypes. Do it, man. Pilot Sport 4S's. That is not a cheap tire. Put on good shoes to the vet, though. You don't want to put on garbage. No buddy shoes on this car. You got to get some good ones. Ones that have a little bit of grip. Oh my God. What a beast. Whoa.
I think the ladies and gentlemen at home got the idea.
I think they did.
This might be my favorite Corvette ever. The C6 Z06.
I love the C6. I'm fine with the C6 Z06. I'm fine with the regular C6 to be honest, but this thing
I know.
Sounded great when you passed both.
Yeah, you can't beat a 427 cubic inch V8. It's the best the best thing ever. And it's blue. I think this is the best color on the C6 too, Jetstream Blue. It's nice.
Love this car.
And you don't have to take your eyes off the road because you have a heads-up display.
I know.
There's nothing to really gripe about at all. You ready to take it back?
Let's go.
I guess we have
I
to.
don't want to.